Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm coming to you with another Ayurvedic henna treatment. This one is a little different from the original one I did a couple years ago, so if you're interested, then stay tuned. For this treatment, you will need hibiscus tea, coconut milk, and of course, henna. First, I will be making some hibiscus tea instead of plain water for this mixture. Hibiscus is known for its ability to stimulate hair growth, reduce fall, and prevent premature graying. Once the tea has been steeped for a couple minutes, I add it to 2 cups of henna and I mix it all in. You might need more, you may need less, just eyeball it. This brand I use is called Nupur. I buy it right off of Amazon. It's the same one that I used in my first video. I love it because it has a lot of different herbs in it that are super beneficial for your hair. And I will leave all the herbs and the benefits of them in the description bar if you're interested. Make sure you check that out. Once that's all mixed in, I add about a half a cup of coconut milk. Coconut milk helps to nourish, moisturize, and strengthen your hair all at the same time. When it's all mixed together, it should have a nice chocolate pudding-like consistency. And now it's on to the application. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. You want to make sure that your hair is clean before you apply the henna so that the properties can actually work on your hair strands. I washed my hair the previous day and I just twisted it up, and now my hair is dry, so I'm going to apply water to it to help make it more pliable and to help distribute the henna throughout my hair. Please remember to wear gloves. I made the mistake of forgetting the first time and my hands were definitely stained for days, so please don't make that mistake. And I also highly recommend wearing an old t-shirt that you do not care about, because obviously henna stains and you don't want to mess up a perfectly good shirt. So I just wore an old one. I applied the henna to my ends all the way to my roots. Like I said, henna has a bunch of properties. It makes your hair stronger. It balances your hair porosity. It reduces dandruff. It soothes the hair cuticle, giving the hair an overall healthy appearance. It helps thicken your hair. It promotes growth. And it also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. That's just a few of the benefits that I wanted to mention to you guys. So I apply this to my roots as well. And not just my hair, because I want my roots to, hair growth comes from your roots. So you want the benefits to, get up in there. But if you haven't tried henna before, I do recommend trying a small section in the back of your hair to see how it works for you. But once you have the henna all throughout your hair, I just applied a plastic cap over it and I let it sit in my hair for about 4 to 5 hours. Hey y'all, so I wanted to come on real quick to show you what my hair is looking like. I just rinsed it out in the sink because I wanted to get, most of the henna out. I didn't want to rinse it out in my shower because it's really messy. I didn't want it to get all over the place, so I wanted to get majority of the henna out of my hair. This is what my curls are looking like. I don't know if you can see that. I'm sure there's still bits of henna in my hair. I'm gonna get the rest of it out in the shower. You can see, oh, can you see? Look how defined my curls are. Okay. My hair feels really good. It feels soft. It feels really soft but strong at the same time. My hair just feels really good. So once I get in the shower, I'm going to, like I said, rinse my hair out even more because I'm sure there's more henna in there. So I'm going to rinse it out. And then I plan on doing an apple cider vinegar rinse. And I'm still going to deep condition my hair. it's important to deep condition your hair after doing a henna treatment, because you want to add that moisture back into your hair, but you want to make sure that whatever deep conditioner that you are using, that it doesn't have any protein in it. I've made that mistake before and it just made my hair extremely hard. Henna isn't a protein, but it basically acts as one, because the henna basically fills in the gaps in your hair to make it, you know, stronger and things like that. So I don't want my hair to dry out. I just want to tell you guys that and show you guys my hair. If you want more information about henna and things like that, make sure you watch my first video, because I explained literally everything from beginning to end. But I definitely feel the difference. It's been a while since I did a henna treatment, but I don't remember my hair feeling like this the last time. So I feel like the coconut milk helped to soften my hair a little bit, so I do like that. So I like this recipe. I hope you guys try it. If you have tried this recipe yourself, tell me in the comments how it's worked for you. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So I just got out of the shower. I rinsed my hair with apple cider vinegar like I told y'all I was going to do. And my hair looks and feels amazing. I was probably way overdue for this treatment, to be honest. Am I in focus? I didn't use, I'm gonna show you how much apple cider vinegar I used. So my hair is 100% clean. I don't see like any grains of henna or anything. How many ounces is this? This is a 16-ounce applicator bottle. I probably filled like maybe an ounce worth of apple cider vinegar, and the rest I filled up with water, and that's how much I used. And that's how much I used on my entire head. And this is what my hair looks like. At this point, I'm just going to style as usual.